Okay. The two people we now got their separate corners. Tori, you come over here.
That's Tori. Sleeping bag number 1.
Tori, woo!
Ew.
It's Rachel!
Sleeping bag number 2. Woo!
Okay. Are you ready?
Wait, Rachel, don't stand there.
Get set.
Claire, move.
Fight!
Tori!
Tori, sit down on the ground.
Maddie, this looks so bad.
Rachel is vicious.
Oh my god, and Tori's legs fly up. Tori is so bad at this. You ran through that. Rachel! Crap!
I'm sorry, Claire. I'm so supposed to tell.
What was it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So bad. Is everything what happened?
No, this is fine.
I'm so What's the thing? Is it broken?
No.
Okay.
I'm so sad on my table.
I thought it was the couch.
Oh, whoops, it's still recording. I got that on videotape. I think that was funny.
I think we should put it on YouTube. Who's with me? Now move away from here. Get out! You're vicious.